Now, okay children, let's study the India's physical map. As you know, this map is taken from your textbook. It is in your textbook. Okay. Now, let me show you first the Himalayas. Here, the Greater Himalayas. Then we are having the Himachal, and down we are having the Shivalik range. So, in the Shivalik range, in the Arunachal Pradesh, this side in the, okay, we are having Garo, Khasi and Naga hills. Okay children. Then down or at the foothills of the Himalayan ranges, this green part is known as our northern Indian plains, and our northern Indian plains are at in the south of the Himalayas. Okay, they are having the alluvial soils which deposited laid down by the rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Satluj or Indus rivers, and with their tributaries. And these river plains provide land for the cultivation, and that is the main reason why this area is highly populated area. And in the western, if I just show you Great Indian Desert, this is our Rajasthan, but the western part of the Rajasthan is known as Great Indian Desert, and Gujarat's little bit part, 1/4 part, is also covering with the this Great Indian Desert. And here you can see the range of Aravalli hills, as I told you. Okay. Now, if I move on to the our peninsula, see the peninsula, the part of land which is covered by water from three sides: in the west Arabian Sea, in the south Indian Ocean, and in the east Bay of Bengal. Okay. This southern part is known as Southern Plateau or Peninsular Plateau, which is in a triangular shape, and the land is very uneven. You can find many types of mountain ranges. See here, you can see Vindhya range, Satpura range, and here you can find Narmada and Tapi rivers. Okay, Narmada and Tapi rivers, which flow through these ranges, and they drain their water in the Arabian Sea. Okay, and they meet in the river water meets in the Arabian Sea. Then we are having coastal areas. Now, this is western coastal area, this is eastern coastal area. So, before this eastern and western coastal area, we are having western Ghats and eastern Ghats. Okay, western Ghats are narrow, but eastern Ghats are broader than the western Ghats, and in the eastern Ghats we are having the rivers Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri, and these rivers drain their water or meet in the Bay of Bengal. Okay children, now you know the tip of the south, this where the western and eastern Ghats meet each other, is known as Kanyakumari, or what you will say, Cape Comorin, as I told you in the first session also. Okay, and this part which is connecting India and Sri Lanka. Okay, the passage of water connecting the two land parts which are connecting with the water body, okay, is known as narrow passage, is known as which strait? Park Strait. This is known as Park Strait. Now, if I will move on to both the islands, in the Arabian Sea, in the western side near the western Ghats, we are having Lakshadweep. In the eastern side, in the Bay of Bengal, towards the coastal areas of the eastern Ghats, we are having Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Now, Andaman and Nicobar Islands are separated through 10-degree channel. They separated through 10-degree channel here. Okay. And Lakshadweep Islands are known as Coral Islands. They are known as Coral Islands. Okay, and in the south we are having Indian Ocean. Okay, okay children. So this was all about your India's physical map.